Turn your pain into passion. Heartbreak be the motivations for why I became the greatest version of myself. And guess what? Now that I done elevated to this level, I accidentally discovered things about myself I never knew existed. And now that I discovered things that I never knew existed, I can look back at that situation and be grateful. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for forcing me to become something I never knew I could become. Thank you.
Amazing.
You're a great person. You're just not my person.
Listen, when you're one of the chosen ones, don't hold grudges with people. Because when somebody hurts you, the universe not going to let them win. They going to fall. We see they falling and they see they falling. But we pray they don't fall. But they're going to fall.
I'm not going to be confrontational with you. I'm going to politely vacate the premises. Let the clown have the circus. You know, in a room full of clowns, man, I can't be part of the circus, man. When you entertain a clown, you become part of the circus.
Anything that we take in, we see, or we hear is consumption. If you take in negativity, you look at negativity, you listen to negativity, you consume it, and it becomes you. You are what you eat. You are what you consume.
Dark times don't last long. You know what I'm saying? Real people last long. I now learned that any dark time I'm in, it's more of an analyzing time. It's time for me to get rid of the things in my life that aren't making any sense in order for me to go to the next level.
I'm not understanding nothing. I'm not standing under nothing. I'm not even humble. I don't even say that word no more. I'm very respectful, but I'm not humble because I got to hold myself accountable and I got to beat myself up and be hard on myself so the world can't. Because the world is a very cruel place if you let it be.
Who give a I don't live for what other people think about me. If I like it, I like it. That's just me. The couple that pray together stay together. And the couple that work out together work out forever. It's a us thing, not a me thing. Ain't no I and team. You're a great person, you just not my person.
Lessons are better lived than learned. Some lessons must be lived.
Yeah.
And pain is the greatest motivator.
Correct.
And experience is the greatest teacher.
All my life, I had ego issues. I thought I had to be a gangster. The world gonna look at me silly if I don't be this, if I don't be that, if I don't be that. So once I put that to the side, nothing has been impossible. I've been accomplishing everything I wanted to. I want to do what makes me happy.
Speaking on what Kevin Gates is saying, that do what makes you happy, because life is too short to live for anyone else. When you focus on what truly brings you joy, you're more motivated, resilient, and fulfilling.
The stuff that I just started sharing with the world as far as me being vulnerable, I didn't know that other people suffer and go through the same things that I go through. Me being my authentic self made me an even greater artist. And that was one of my biggest fears. Like, if I say this, will somebody look at me like I'm crazy? We all go through things. Mistakes make us great. I'm proud of you. I think you're doing amazing. I just tell myself, like, I made a vow to myself. I'll never, like, say negative things to myself. I say nothing but positive shit.
I say it freely because all you can do is all you can do. If I know I did my best, I with you, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
and that's how I move.
And I tell people sometimes, man, if you lost me, it's your fault.
Somebody to say about you don't determine how only you could determine that. So
if you lost me, it's your fault for not valuing what you had. You can give your all to someone and they will take it for granted. No, it's too late.
When you talk with people, you expose them by just you being yourself. It costs $0 it costs $0 to keep it real. I don't have no Phantoms. I don't have no Bentleys. I don't have none of that.